Hello, cosmic explorers. Prepare for an in-depth journey through the cosmos as we unveil the intricate story of nebulae, the celestial clouds shaping the destiny of our universe. If you're excited to unravel the mysteries of our cosmic neighbors, hit the like button, subscribe to Space Snapshots, and let the cosmic exploration begin. Our cosmic voyage starts in the vastness of interstellar space, where colossal clouds of gas and dust converge under the gravitational forces at play. Did you know that the birth of a star within these stellar nurseries is a complex dance involving the collapse of these immense clouds, setting the stage for the awe-inspiring process of star formation? The gravitational ballet within these nurseries not only initiates star birth but also contributes to the creation of planetary systems. This cosmic cradle, teeming with potential, becomes a dynamic force in shaping the future of the universe. As we delve deeper into stellar nurseries, witness the mesmerizing dance of cosmic dust particles. These seemingly insignificant elements perform an intricate ballet guided by cosmic forces. Picture this dance as the sculptor's hands, shaping the raw materials that will form the breathtaking tapestry of the nebula. Each dust particle, though tiny, plays a crucial role in this cosmic choreography. These particles, rich in elements, contribute to the formation of not just stars but also the building blocks of planets and other celestial bodies. It's a dance of cosmic alchemy, where dust transforms into celestial wonders. The narrative unfolds as young stars ignite within the nebula, becoming the sculptors of cosmic landscapes. Their stellar winds, powerful and magnificent, carve out dynamic shapes and structures within the nebula. Imagine the cosmic ballet where stars themselves shape the canvas of the universe. As these stellar winds sculpt the nebula, they also play a pivotal role in the enrichment of cosmic chemistry. Elements forged within stars are released into the surrounding space, influencing the composition of gas and dust. It's a celestial synergy where stars, through their winds, contribute to the cosmic evolution of their birthplace. The cosmic cradle evolves into a celestial nursery as young stars emerge, casting their radiant glow upon the cosmic stage. Gravity and stellar winds collaborate to give birth to these celestial infants. Picture the artistry of star birth, a magical process that transforms the nebula into a living, breathing cosmic entity. As these stars come to life, they emit intense radiation, creating a luminous spectacle within the nebula. The art of star birth not only illuminates the cosmic canvas but also initiates the formation of protoplanetary disks, crucibles where planets and other celestial bodies begin to take shape. It's a symphony of creation within the stellar nursery. As the nebula ages, young stars within its core become cosmic heaters, illuminating the surrounding gas and dust with their radiant glow. Witness the cosmic heaters turning the nebula into a celestial spectacle, a symphony of light and color. The dance of illumination continues, creating an ever-changing cosmic masterpiece. The glow from these cosmic heaters not only transforms the nebula into a stunning visual display but also influences the surrounding environment. It triggers the ionization of gas, creating regions of intense radiation. This dynamic interplay of light and energy shapes the evolving landscape of the nebula. As our cosmic saga progresses, a cosmic cycle of destruction and renewal takes center stage. Massive stars, born within the nebula, reach the end of their cosmic journey in spectacular supernova explosions. These explosive events release shockwaves that trigger the birth of new stars, perpetuating the life of the nebula. The cosmic drama intensifies as massive stars meet their explosive fate. The shockwaves from these supernova explosions not only carve new structures within the nebula but also seed the interstellar medium with heavy elements. This celestial recycling, where the remains of one generation of stars fuel the birth of the next, adds layers of complexity to the cosmic narrative. We uncover the cosmic legacies of nebulae. Beyond their breathtaking beauty, nebulae are the architects of stars, the sculptors of galaxies, and the storytellers of the universe. Their legacy extends across the cosmos, leaving behind a profound impact on the evolution of the universe. As we reflect on the immense cosmic journey, consider the fact that the elements forged within these nebulae are the building blocks of life itself. The legacy of a nebula transcends its visual allure, becoming an integral part of the cosmic narrative that shapes the destiny of our universe. As our nebula matures, it interacts with the cosmic environment, creating interstellar wonders that transcend its birthplace. We delve into the cosmic ballet between nebulae, stars, and the vastness of interstellar space. Join us in exploring interstellar wonders, where nebulae become cosmic artists, painting the canvas of the universe. The interstellar wonders unfold as nebulae, in their intricate dance with neighboring cosmic entities, give rise to spectacular phenomena. These interactions can lead to the formation of new stars, the birth of planetary systems, and the creation of cosmic landscapes that extend far beyond the boundaries of the original nebula. It's a cosmic collaboration that adds layers of complexity to the ongoing cosmic narrative. As our nebula ages, the remnants of supernovae become integral players in the cosmic drama. We uncover the grandeur of supernova remnants, expansive clouds of gas and dust carrying the echoes of stellar explosions. Witness the remnants expanding through the cosmos, becoming intricate structures that shape the landscape of the nebula. The remnants of stellar explosions tell a cosmic story of destruction and rebirth. These grand structures, formed from the remnants of supernovae, become cosmic landmarks within the nebula. They influence the ongoing evolution of the cosmic environment, creating dynamic landscapes that add layers of complexity to the cosmic narrative. As we explore the eternal legacy of nebulae, witness the transformative journey from nebulae to the creation of cosmic elements that form the building blocks of life. As we conclude this cosmic odyssey, reflect on the immense beauty and complexity of the life cycle of nebulae. The legacy of a nebula extends far beyond its visual allure. The elements forged within its cosmic embrace become the raw materials for the creation of planets, stars, and even life itself. As these elements spread through the cosmos, they contribute to the ongoing cosmic symphony, a symphony that resonates across the vastness of space and time. As our nebula continues its cosmic journey, we explore the impact of cosmic collisions within its boundaries. Picture the dynamic encounters between stellar remnants, interstellar clouds, and other celestial entities. These collisions, though violent, play a crucial role in reshaping the nebula and triggering new waves of star formation. Cosmic collisions within the nebula create shockwaves that compress gas and dust, initiating the birth of new stars and planetary systems. It's a cosmic dance of destruction and creation, where the forces of the universe converge to sculpt the ever-evolving landscape of the nebula. Join us as we unveil the mysteries hidden within the aftermath of cosmic collisions. In the final installment of our extended cosmic odyssey, we journey deeper into the ongoing narrative of the nebula. Explore the cosmic feedback loops that connect the nebula with its surroundings, influencing the formation of new structures and cosmic phenomena. This cosmic odyssey is a testament to the perpetual dance of creation and transformation. As we conclude this cosmic journey, ponder the interconnectedness of celestial events within and around the nebula. The cosmic odyssey continues, with the nebula serving as a cosmic storyteller, documenting the ever-changing tapestry of the universe. Join us in the exploration of the final chapter, where the cosmic odyssey becomes a timeless saga, echoing through the vastness of space. Thank you for embarking on this extended cosmic odyssey with us. If the wonders of the universe have ignited your curiosity, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Space Snapshots for more cosmic adventures. Your support fuels our exploration of the cosmos. Until next time, fellow cosmic explorers.